SAI Samrat, the prominent manufacturer and exporter of lead-acid batteries, has started its journey in 1993 under the guiding force of CEO Mr. K.S Chavan. His enthusiasm to establish itself as a pioneer in the industry has taken us far away from the racecourse of market to the peak position of market. We are supported by the team of experts, which is made with the compilation of qualified experts who are actively engaged in the manufacturing of quality products. Their hard work and expertise has supported us to manufacture improved models of batteries while maintaining quality factor. We are glad to be on the peak position, where clients look up to us without any alternative.
We are the manufacturer of tubular batteries and automotive batteries since 1993. Our motto is delivering energy to worldwide. That's why we are just exporting our batteries more than 15 countries.
Casted grids from imported, pressure die casting machine for compact superior quality. Casted from advanced technology machine specially imported from UAS, that is words.
The smile on customer's face is our motto.
Pasting machine imported from China. Brand Sunlight Speciality. This machine is double-side pasting machine having production capacity will be 120 panels per minute.
We SAI Samrat.
We SAI Samrat.
We, the SAI Samrat.
We SAI Samrat.
We SAI Samrat.
We SAI Samrat.